Hey people, so today's video is a review of the movie called Pati Patni or Wo. Now, considering it's lockdown, it is a fair indication of the lockdown state of my brain to be sitting and watching movies with titles like this. But the thing is, the lead actors like Bhumi Pednekar, and the uh, the whole star cast as such is very it's very fresh, so that alone makes the film interesting. And especially during this phase where one is just quarantined at home, it is nice to watch these movies that give you a glimpse of the world outside. So eh, you know eh, Kanpur, yeah, for the ones who, those of us who've never been to the place, watching this movie gives you a nice glimpse into Kanpur. So, from Ananya Pandey to, Karthik Aryan, everybody is like, they put they put in their best, and strangely even the music is very nice. And Ayushman Khurrana's younger brother, who's in the movie, ought to, it's only a matter of time before he takes on lead roles because he's that good an actor. So, as I'm recording this, there's no current and I'm like sweating. But yeah, but this movie will also make you sweat because there's hot chemistry happening, yeah, between the stars. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.